Sorry student for that half video, actually by mistake something happened. So don't worry, again I want to continue about our divided Indian history into 3 period. So here you can see James Mill. Already I said James Mill, he divided Hindu, Muslim and British period, but many people say this was a misleading of nature of history. Why he divided? Because he said Hindu period was studied only on the basis of Sanskrit, Muslim period on the basis of Persian text, and British period by using English. That's why he divided this. But that's why he divided this, and he said that after 1200 Common Era, mostly what Sanskrit used decline and Muslim period or Persian used mostly rise in that time. So here one important thing, only that one James Mill divided. Remember that one James Mill divided. Question also comes, write the division of James Mill about history. So you have to write that portion. But our common in recent time, historians have categorized Indian history as ancient, medieval and modern. This is the main thing which is we have to know. So you have studied this pattern from 6th class ancient, 7 medieval and 8 modern history. Our next portion, sources of modern history. Sources means from what we came to know about modern Indian history. Some sources, some method from where we came to know about. So here is, you can see primary source, secondary source. Okay, primary sources, secondary sources. First hand information record, which is primary, and secondary. We will know about sources. So here given, you can see this paragraph. With the invention of printing press, there was growth of production of literary source. Literary means writing source. Okay, writing source. So such magazine, book, journal, newspaper, you know, these are the writing sources. Poem, drama, biography, autobiography, these all are what were composed. All these serve as sources. So here is divided into two sources, divided into two primary sources and secondary sources. This is about from where we got many things about Indian modern history. Okay dear students, next class you will get about the type of sources, primary source, secondary source, its types of sources you will get from next in your next class. Till then I hope you have understood this and try to write down some what you have learned new. Try to write down in your copy. Bye bye.